Let's take a look at how momentum is transferred in elastic collisions. All right, so these two skateboards are headed right for each other. Which one do you want to be on? I'm guessing you want to be on this one on the left because you have this sense that it's going to push that one on the right a lot faster, and it does. That's because this one on the left is heavier, right? It has more mass, and so it's going to push that one on the right a lot more. That's because when two things collide, momentum is transferred, and momentum depends on two things, and one of them is mass. Now, I think you also know what the other one is, and let's do a little experiment to find out. So let's say now we only have one bunny on each skateboard, so their mass is the same. So the only thing that the momentum is going to depend on is their speed. So if they come in with the same speed, they're going to go out with the same speed. But let's say that this bunny on the left gets tired after all the skateboarding, so it's coming in with a lower speed, then it's going to go out with a greater speed. In fact, the magnitudes here switch. And that's because this one on the right is coming in with more momentum. So more speed, more momentum. And in fact, if this bunny on the left stops entirely, then all of the momentum is going to get transferred from this bunny on the right to the bunny on the left. So that's it. Check out this and more examples at phenomena.app.